Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and dreamers, buckle up because today we're diving into a story that's nothing short of legendary. We're talking about a car that's more than just metal, paint, and horsepower. It's a rolling piece of passion, obsession, and pure automotive art. This is the 1979 Volkswagen Golf Mk1, transformed into a show-stopping beast by none other than Dave Bond from Cornwall, England. Now, let me set the stage for you. Dave isn't just some weekend tinkerer. No. This man has been living and breathing cars for over 50 years. A fisherman by trade, but a master craftsman when it comes to custom builds. His garage isn't filled with just any cars. This is the kingdom of classics. A BMW 2002, a first-gen VW Caddy, and the crown jewel we're staring at today, the Golf Mk1. Dave bought this humble hatchback back in 2015, and what followed wasn't just a project, it was a 7-year transformation, a labor of love that turned this Golf into a monster that wins trophies left and right. Best of show, best engine, you name it, this car has taken it home. And when you see it, oh man, you get it. Dropped to the ground on a fully adjustable air ride, this thing is so low it makes limbo dancers jealous. Dump the air, and the oil pan literally kisses the pavement. The fenders? Extended. The wheels? Oh, those iconic 3-piece Ronal Racing rims. Polished centers, gray stars, rolling on rubber so stretched you'd swear the tires were holding on for dear life. And the paint? Stone blue perfection, sprayed by Dave's own son, Lee. Add in carbon fiber details, front lip, bumpers, side trims, even the gas cap. Chrome mirrors with Porsche lettering handles. It's not just a car, it's a sculpture that just happens to move. But the real magic? It's under the hood. Sitting there like a polished diamond is a 2-liter ABF 4-cylinder, yanked from a Mark III Golf and built to shine. We're talking forged engine block, Gen V throttle bodies, a Schrick oil pan polished like jewelry, and a custom exhaust system that's less pipe and more symphony. 200 horsepower out of a vintage Golf? That's not just power, that's a statement. And Dave didn't stop there. Vauxhall brakes up front, Golf Mark IV brakes in the rear. This isn't a poser. This thing stops as good as it goes. Slide inside, and you're greeted with a throwback meets modern vibe. Recaro seats reupholstered in classic GTI check. A CAE shifter standing tall like a trophy in the center console. Extra Audi gauges tucked under the dash. Even the air tank in the trunk is painted body color, detailed with pinstripes like some kind of showpiece. Oh, and let's not forget the Blaupunkt Bremen head unit. Vintage looks, modern tech. And here's the kicker. You'd think a car this pristine is just for show, right? Wrong. Dave drives this beauty. Long trips, international shows, over 1,600 kilometers to Belgium and back without a single hiccup. This Golf doesn't just look the part, it lives it. At the end of the day, what we have here isn't just a restored Volkswagen. It's proof of what happens when passion meets precision. When a man decides to pour 7 years of his life into one machine, the result is something that blows minds, wins trophies, and inspires every single car lover who lays eyes on it. So next time someone tells you the Golf Mk1 is just an old hatchback, show them this masterpiece. Because this, my friends, is how legends are built.